This is Mrs. Sakala with today's Math Fluency. Have you been practicing your flashcards for your zeros? Let's do them. We're going to do them together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Good job. Now, our problem of the day today is they made a graph of our favorite drinks. So what they did is they had orange juice, grape juice, and strawberry juice. And they asked everybody in the class which was their favorite. And then they put a glass for everyone's favorite. So, can you tell me which kind of juice did the most children like? So take a look. This many liked orange. This many liked grape. This many liked strawberry. If you said strawberry, good for you. You can tell that strawberry was the one that they liked the most. What do they like the least, the littlest amount? The grape. Nice job. Let's count and see how many people liked the strawberry juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And good job. And how many liked the grape juice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here's your job. You're going to make a graph at your house. So it's going to look a little different than this one. We're going to make lines that look like this. And then you're going to write some different kinds of drinks. Maybe milk, water, and juice. Then you're going to go to everybody in your house and you're going to say, what is your favorite? Milk, water, or juice? And then you'll put a little tally mark, whichever one they pick. When I did it in my house, I had 3 people picked milk, 2 people picked water, and one person picked juice. So in my house, I had 3, 2, and 1. The most people liked milk. The least people liked juice. Now your job is to make a graph at your house showing the same thing. Now we're going to play a little game of Snap. And what I did is I found some Legos around my house and I found 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to look around your house and see if you have some Legos too. Then you'll be able to play with your family the same game. So I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put them behind my back and I'm going to say snap and I'm going to break them. And then I'm going to only bring out one part. So 1 part of 5 is 2. What's my other part going to be? Right, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3 are parts of 5. And then I'm going to put it back behind my back. And I'm going to say snap. And I'm going to break it. And I'm going to bring out one part. 1. 1 part of 5 is 1. Do you know what the other part is going to be? If you said 4, good for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parts of 5, 1 and 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Let's do it one more time together. I'm going to put it behind my back. And I'm going to say snap. And I'm going to show you 1 part of 5. If I have 0, what's my other part of 5? If you said 5, good for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap is a really fun game that you can play at home with your brothers and sisters or mom and dad. Go ahead and find those Legos. Now, I have some 10 frames. And in my 10 frames, I have some dots. So I'd like you to go ahead and count up the dots in my 10 frame. Now keep that number right in your brain. And I'm going to put it down, and I want you to keep it in your brain until I snap my fingers. Then I want you to tell me how many there were. Good, if you said 3. Nice job. Here's my next one. Look at all that. Those are full. The 10 frame is full. Count up the dots. Okay, keep those in your brain. Keep that number. Don't shout it out yet. Keep it in there. How many were there? If you said 10, good for you. Here's my next one. Count up those dots. Okay, keep it in your brain. Don't let it out yet. Keep it in there. Keep it in there a little bit longer. Okay. 8, good. If you said 8, good for you. Here's our last one we're gonna do. Count them up. Okay, keep it in your brain. Don't let it out. Keep it in there. Keep it in there. If you said 7, good for you. Nice job. Now, the last thing we have time for today is our application problem. So, and now we're going to be solving a word problem today. Ming has 5 raisins. Dan has 2 raisins. How many raisins are there in all? So today we'll be using the 10 frame to help us solve the problem. Now we know Ming has 5 raisins. So I'm going to count out 5. And I'm going to put 1 counter for every raisin. She has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how many raisins Ming has. Dan has 2 raisins. So let's get 2 for Dan and put them right in the 10 frame. So I know that since it wants to know how many there are in all, I'm going to count up Dan's and Ming's raisins. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all together they have 7. So now we're going to fill in my 10 frame. So we know it's part, whole. So what part is Ming's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what part is Dan's? 1, 2. Part plus part equals whole. How many are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job. There are 7 raisins in all.